My name is Rachel Renee, and I am the founder and CEO of Goat Moves, Inc. It was upon my return to my hometown of Kansas City that a disheartening reality caught my attention, and it was the disappearances of small to medium-sized businesses that once formed the backbone of my city. Unfortunately, this trend isn't just about business. It's about the unraveling of our middle-class communities across the nation. The challenges faced by these small to medium-sized businesses are stark. They grapple with the daunting task of having to compete against larger corporations, making it an uphill battle for survival. Consequence, a ripple effect on the very fabric of our local communities. Enter Goat Moves Marketplace. We believe that we are a game changer in a landscape where small to medium-sized businesses are grappling with closures and the middle class appears to be vanishing. Goat Moves Marketplace aims to emerge as a beacon of hope and innovation. By embracing Goat Moves Marketplace, businesses have the opportunity to thrive in this challenging environment, reaching global audiences with ease. Our platform is more than just a marketplace. It is a strategic element and partner in your growth journey. In essence, we are ushering in a new era, replacing multiple website systems with a unified platform. We have partnered with Unilogics, a unique logistics feature that grants small businesses big access products worldwide at their fingertips. With 6,000 users and 500 sellers waitlisted, we believe we are the metaverse destination of products, services, experiences, and entertainment. Are you ready to make some GOAT moves?